In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Calendly API personal access token. This process is quick and straightforward, perfect for those who need to integrate Calendly API into their workflows. Let's get started. First, go to the Calendly website by navigating to calendly.com in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the Login button. Give it a click to proceed to the login screen. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on Continue to move forward. Doing so will prompt you to enter your password on the next screen. Type in your password and then click Continue again to complete the login process and access your Calendly homepage. Now that you're logged in, you're at the main dashboard. Next, you'll want to look for the Integrations and Apps section, typically located in the sidebar or menu sections of the dashboard. Click on it and it will lead you to a page where different integration options are displayed. On this new page, you need to locate and click on API and Webhooks. This section is specifically designed for users who wish to use Calendly's API features or set up webhooks for automated actions and data retrievals. Once you click on this, you should see an option that says Get a Token Now. Click on it to start the token generation process. Following that, a new window or prompt will appear, offering you the option to continue. Click it to move to the next step. Here you'll be asked to type in a name for your token. This name is primarily for your reference, so choose something descriptive that denotes its purpose or which application it's connected to. After naming the token, click on Create Token. This will trigger Calendly to generate a personal access token for your account. However, before you can access and fully use this token, you'll need to verify your identity. Check your email inbox for a verification code that Calendly sends to your registered email address. Once you receive it, enter the code back into the Calendly interface where prompted. After verifying with the code, you'll see an option to copy token. Click this button to copy the token to your clipboard. Make sure to store the token in a safe location as it grants API access to your account and should be kept private. Finally, once you've copied the token, you can click on Close to exit the token generation interface. And that's it. You've successfully generated a Calendly API personal access token. This token can now be used to integrate Calendly functionality with the applications and services you wish to enhance. Thank you for watching and happy integration.